we launched a brand new product called 4RLF. And, the name says what it's for. It's for relief. You see, it is a product that is helping people just finally have that relief, that ease, that comfort that they are so looking for. The pain industry is huge. There's lots of people that are in chronic pain, for different reasons physically, right? And it's not, one of the things that I was reading about when it comes to pain isn't just something that, it's a physical feeling. It translates into an emotional, into your emotions. It can become a mental challenge as well, because ultimately when we're in pain, when we're hindered from doing the things that we want to do, that, that is not allowing us to live our very best life. And so this is a product that we were very passionate about bringing to the market, because again, we're all about helping people live their very best life. And if there's even something, as minor as perhaps a little ache in the back when you bend down, well, gosh, that could prohibit somebody from, playing with their kids, or, playing or running around with their pets, or going to the gym, or whatever the case is, And so this product here really is helping people just feel better, and therefore do the things that they want to do. And there is so much science behind this product. It is a phenomenal product that I am not even going to dare get into, because again, we've got Dr. Newman here, who is going to go over the science behind these products. He's going to cover what is it, who is it for, what makes it work, why is this so different from any of the other pain products out there in the market, and how can you truly go out there and promote this to your family and friends. And so just know this is available. Later, after we're done going over the science, I will share with you how you can get your hands on these brand new products, and what's in store for us here, in October. I'll give you a little bit of glimpse on what's coming. So with that said, please help me welcome to our virtual stage, one of our most beloved, doctors here, a great friend of ours, and, somebody who truly was, he was at the very start of Jeunesse. He's part of the reason why, we have the amazing company that we do, starting with the Luminous line, and now, creating 4RLF and creating the Reveal products. And, his work is so far from done. We've got massive plans, and, we are going to continue to just add nothing but great stuff to our Yes system. So with that, Dr. Newman, are you with us? There you are. Hello, how are you? I think you're muted, Dr. Newman. And that is the famous tagline of 2021 as well as 2020. You're muted. But let's see if we can hear you.
Can you hear me now?
There you are. I hear. Yep, we can totally hear you. Absolutely. Welcome.
Thank you so much for that introduction. That was very kind of you. Excited to be here.
Telling the truth. Absolutely. Thank you so much for being here. And we all want to hear from you. So I'm going to go ahead and give you our virtual stage to enlighten us and share with us all about 4RLF.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm really excited about presenting you about this new product, because this new product is really a revolutionary product in this space. In the Yes system, we covered skin, we covered, all sorts of things that had to do with the body from inside and out. The one thing that we really didn't address so specifically was for pain and itching and inflammation. And the 4RLF is really a product that has been 4 years in the making. We came to do a lot of studies on it, looking for the best anti-inflammatory effects. And this is a culmination of that study, that we've developed a unique product based on our stem cell technology. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It's really, can we go to the next slide, I think, 1 second. It's really based on 4 ingredients. The plant-based stem cell technology is the key ingredient that is the force behind the whole anti-inflammatory activity. Then we have 2 other plants that we've taken, ashwagandha and black pepper, which we're going to talk about, and the menthol, which actually makes us be an FDA-approved over-the-counter drug that addresses pain and itching. So the pain and itching that we have, it's really people need to get relief very quickly. And most of the pain medicines we have today don't really have very quick or effective way of relieving that pain. And with 4Relief, what's amazing with it is that as soon as you put it on, is a topical that you put on the skin, and you are going to get to see relief in your pain within 10 minutes. And a lot of people get it much sooner. And it's fast acting, is not greasy, and it makes your skin actually better because it has all the plant stem cell technology in it still. And what we did was we packaged it in a very special way that you can share it, that you can use it to travel with, that you can demonstrate it to people. It's really an easy way to use it. You just break open the top of the canister there, the individual vials, and you just apply it on the skin. And the main thing is that when you apply it, you're going to not have that bad smell. It's not going to have the smell of, that most of these numbing medicines or pain medicines have. It doesn't numb your skin, and it doesn't irritate you. And it doesn't contain anything in it that will harm you, like parabens or sulfates or phthalates. These are all things that we've taken out. We don't need it because our product is pretty much very natural, it's plant-based, and it's very safe to use. So let's talk a little bit about the, let's go to the next slide, please. Yeah. So a little bit about the science behind it and how we got to this place. The science is based on my 20 years of experience in stem cells. For the last 10 years, we've developed new products, and we've built a whole platform technology to look at this science of stem cells and what the stem cells do. Stem cells are found in every part of our body. Every living being has stem cells in it. Stem cells are the cells that reproduce you, that regenerate you, that make you alive. If you don't have stem cells, you're not alive. And these stem cells are universal. They're in everything that's alive, and those stem cells produce factors. Those factors are very important because the way they communicate with each other, those stem cells, the way they communicate with each other and with the body is through those factors that we call peptides. Those peptides are the language of the cell. Once you put it on, it's universal. Every cell in the world will respond to those factors the same way. What is unique about our technology is that we are able to take any cell and get them to produce the set of factors in the most natural way without genetically modifying them, without synthetically making them, get those cells to give us the factors that we want. So for the skin, we made advanced polypeptide technology. That was for getting your skin to be renewed and getting rid of the wrinkles and the fine lines and the sun damage that you get with. Then we did a HPT6, which was for hair polypeptide technology. That gives us factors and peptides that address the needs of the hair to be fuller and more robust. And here we have a new product that is really based on anti-inflammatory. And one of the things that we've added here is our exosomes and liposomes, and they're the ones that actually help to package these peptides in a way that we can deliver it even deeper into the skin and even go as far as the muscles and joints. And this is really unique. Nobody ever has this. And what we did was we took Tulsi. Tulsi is a plant that is known very, very well around the world for its many health benefits. And we looked at its antioxidant effects. And when we tested it, it was really, really robust. And when we got the Tulsi and we got the stem cells to produce these factors, and we got these liposomes and exosomes to do the combination, we called this pulsisome exo. This is a new idea, new concept. Nobody has this in any product. This is something we make in our own laboratories. So this is the key factor that gives us the ability to give you instant relief. Ashwagandha is known also as an amazing health plant that helps to give you improvement in your immune system and improvement in your inflammatory system, and those are the two things that are there that work for the inflammation and the antioxidants. And then the next thing that we have is the black pepper. The black pepper works on the nerve endings to reduce the nerve endings from shooting nerve signals to your brain, and it calms it down and allows everything to calm down. And it has also anti-inflammatory properties as well. The current products on the market are very limited. They're either opioids, basically they're drugs that are addictive, or they have a lot of side effects. They can cause a lot of problems within the body. If you take it orally, all the topical ones, they don't work so well, and we'll go into why they don't work so well. The other ones are non-steroidal anti-inflammatories. They also are limited in what we can do with, and they don't have very immediate effect. The salicylates are like aspirin, and the capsaicin are based on the sort of peppers, but they also don't do the effect that we get with the black pepper. And the other ones are just numbing medicines. So you put it on and you feel numb. So a lot of the people didn't want to have these sort of side effects and limitations, because the opioids or all of the ones that are numbing you are really limited in how much you can use safely. So if you cannot use a lot of it, you're not going to get as much efficacy. You're not going to get the benefit as fast or as much. And if you use a lot of it, or you use it for a long time, a lot of these things not only can give you side effects, but they have tolerance. So what happens is you use it, and the amount that you need is going to have to be increased to get the same effect, because your body doesn't respond to it the same way. You build the tolerance, so your body needs more of it to get the same result. And you can't keep giving more, because you have the side effect, and you can really hurt yourself if you use too much of the other products. The other thing is, if you're an athlete, or if you're trying to do some competition, or you're trying to even walk, you can't have these things to be put on your foot or your hands and be greasy or numb you, because you can actually hurt yourself even more. And then a lot of these things have a lot of unpleasant odor. The odor is, and the greasiness was one of the things we want to make sure we don't have. So our product doesn't have a bad odor, and it does not have any grease in it. It's not oil-based, it is water-based. It will feel greasy, but it is water-based. And that's one of the things that the technology allows us to do. That stem cell technology allows us to give you something that is water-based, but it feels like oil. And that also helps the penetration. The next thing that we have in there is MSM. MSM is the product that allows for that immediate penetration. It opens up the cells, and it allows the product to go deeper into the tissues. And that is also from plants, and is one of the delivery systems that's unique in our product. So again, this is something that we made based on what the leaders asked for. They wanted something that worked, that was demonstrable, that got immediate results, that was easy to demonstrate, that was easy to carry, and it was cost effective. So, and people who've used this in my clinic, we used to use it, and everybody put it on in the beginning when we were testing it. there was, after a few minutes that the pain went away, they were saying, my God, this is magic. I used everything and it didn't work, and this worked. So this is sort of the effect that we're getting, and this is what we're looking for you guys to try and see. The other thing, that besides being FDA approved over-the-counter medicine, this is a product that can be used for anybody from 2 years older. You can use it. It's safe. You can put it in any part of the skin. You can use it as much as you want. You won't have tolerance. You won't have side effects. The only thing is, I don't want you guys to use this with your other topical pain medicines, because those, when you combine them, those are going to cause an irritation on your skin, because your body is going to open up all these cells to drive it in, and you're putting all the things in those creams that you don't really want to be penetrating in, and you're going to get a skin rash. So please, just use this by itself. When you're using it topically, you can use your pain medicine by mouth if you need it. And then the other thing is, when you want to use this, the vials, do not twist the top. Just don't twist it. Just clip it open and move it back and forth, and you can use it. And the top does not need to come off. And this is also one of those products that you don't want to put in your eye. That's the only thing that I tell people, don't put in your eye, because it'll burn and it'll be uncomfortable. Again, so anybody can use it on any part of the body as much as you want. For pain, itching is great for people who go out, get mosquito bites, insect bites, you have a rash, it's itchy, it's red, you put it on, it goes away very quickly. And the last thing I want to do is thank you for listening, and I ask you guys to please send us your testimonials. Your feedback drives us to have more passion in developing these products for you, and to bringing you the next generation of science that you can share with your friends and bring them the benefits of these products, because this was how we originally decided we want to have Jeunesse. When Randy and Wendy met with me, they wanted to bring this power of stem cells to the masses, and we've done it, and we continue to do it. So I thank you for doing that, and I look forward to seeing you next time live in person.
Thank you so much, Dr. Newman, and that was a phenomenal training. And and yes, I echo what you said. We got to get those testimonials. Those testimonials are absolute gold, and I just want you guys to think of, everything that you heard from Dr. Newman, how much you love our products, the results that you've gotten, and just know that those testimonials is exactly what's going to get somebody out there to say, yeah, I'm going to give it a try. And it's not just about business. It's not just about sales. It's about helping somebody with getting that relief. And that's what we're all about. So, thank you, Dr. Newman. One of the things that I would love everybody to do tonight is take a picture of your 4RLF, post it on your stories, post it on your wall, and just say something about this product. Again, get the word out. And one of the awesome things about this specific packaging, Dr. Newman, you and I were just chatting about, is the fact that it's in these vials, which means you can easily sample it, right? Everything that we do has a strategy. There's a reason why it's not in the jar right now. We want you to go out there and share it with everybody, because that's the business that we're in. We're in the business of sharing. So thank you, Dr. Newman, for your time tonight. And I look forward to having you on future lives, where we'll get questions from the field and we'll answer them, because, we know that this is going to be a very, an extensive conversation. It's a product that people want. And as you said, it's a product, we don't have anything like this in our Yes system. So looking forward to many more trainings. Thank you.
Thank you so much.